1 2 ไป
Sawadika. Hello everyone, my name is Preme. I'm currently 14 years old and I attend ICS, which is International Community School of Bangkok. I think, in my opinion, my entire personality and my life can be summed in the 3 things that I love most, which is 1, my family, 2, expressing myself, and 3, which is sports. So first, my family, which is, I think, most of what everyone loves the most, right? Anyways, my family includes my twin. I have a mom, dad, and an older sister who goes to America for college. And I also live with my grandma as well, who I really love. She's around like 90 years old right now. And I live with my cousins as well, who are like much older than me, because both my parents are the youngest children in their family. Next, the second thing that I love most would be expressing myself to others. This includes different forms such as singing, which is something that I loved since I was really young, and also debate, which is something I started learning and love a lot. And lastly is sports. I really love playing badminton, and I used to play a lot of basketball when I was younger as well with my family, and they give me like a lot of good memories of my childhood and playing with my friends. So yeah, that's my life summed up into 3 things I love the most. Thank you.
เจ๋งมากเริ่มเลยเมื่อกี้เขาคอมเม
เดี๋ย
น
ว
ต์
ผ
เรา
ม
เลย
คิดไม่ออกครับ ขอกลับมา
เขาให้พูดอีกรอบนึง
Yes yes I try to think
ใครต่อดีลาเอาก่อน
Yes ค่ะ
like like she has a lot of vocal variety.
ซิคุณนะ
like have like good spacing, so like not too compact, like really well structured speech.
เดี๋ยวสตรัคเจอร์โอเคแล้วลูก
Pause. เสียงดังฟังชัด
จุดเด่นจากที่คนทุกคนได้เคยเห็นนะเสียงดังๆเนาะอันนี้เป็น strength นะเมื่อกี้ที่เราลองซ้อมเสียง1 ถึง 4เห็นไหมพอเสียงดังแล้วคนข้างหลังฟังสบายๆไม่ต้องฮะถูกไหมแล้วก็ถ้าจะเพิ่มก็คือ smiling face นะคือมีรอยยิ้มแทรกไปด้วยแม้ว่าจะตื่นเต้นแต่ว่าใจดีสู้เสือถูกไหมพอยิ้มปุ๊บมันรู้สึกเฟรนลี่ทันทีเลยเราเชื่อมโยงกันคอนเซ็ปต์แรกทำได้ is connecting connect กันเรายิ้มเราเป็นเพื่อนกันเนาะเราเฟรนลี่เราไม่แข็งเราไม่โกรธเราไม่หงุดหงิดใส่กันแล้วพอเราส่งพลังงานไปในออเดียนที่อยากจะฟังเรานะคะโอเคกูจ้าลูก
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm standing in front of a huge and nice ocean. It stretches out as far as my eyes can see, and right above me, look! The sky is so blue, not a single cloud in sight. I take a deep breath. The air is so fresh, I can almost taste the salt. The sun is warm but gentle, like a soft hand on my shoulder. And when I look around, I see birds flying and people smiling. Suddenly, I feel like I want to run, run faster, run along the shore with waves chasing at my feet. Yes, I'm happy. Well, for me, as someone who has been mesmerized and in awe of birds ever since I was young, I would definitely choose to be able to fly in the sky like a bird. Here's why. I think that, especially in Bangkok, we're stuck with so much heavy traffic jams and it's always really inconvenient to go from place to place. So I feel like one of the reasons why I would love to be able to fly like a bird would be able to move around super quickly from one place to the other. For example, to go to school, I had to wake up at 5:30 in the morning. But if I were able to just fly across the city back to ICS, I think that I'd be able to get so much more sleep, and I think that life would just be so much more convenient overall. Secondly, I also think that flying seems like a really fun idea, and it's something that I think we all kind of imagined ourselves doing when we were younger, like pretending to be like birds or fairies or whatever. So I think that this childhood dream getting to be manifested into real life would be really cool and fun. Thank you.